Avant d'eux, regardez la vidéo, likez la vidéo et abonnez-vous à la chaîne.
Since the fall of Geese Howard, the city of Southtown has never been the same. Its people have grown complacent, and once fearsome warriors roam the streets like stray dogs. And though his legacy remains here in my keeping, it does so with no heir apparent. If there are any left in Southtown with fangs that bite, with claws that tear, with the ruthlessness and undying spirit of a true warrior, come to King of Fighters. Who will inherit the legacy of the fallen Emperor? Let the last wolves of this city determine that for themselves. Stroheim. After an impressive display at the last tournament, Kim Jae-hoon became the pride of his family's dojo. So imagine his surprise when his father had Jae-hoon spar with his own brother, the genius slacker, Kim Dong-hwan. Many years had come and gone since the brothers' last serious bout. Though he battled with all his might, victory slipped through Jae-hoon's fingers. Though his skills were the sharper of the pairs, his soft heart held him back. The same could not be said for Dong-hwan. Their father, Kim Kap-hwan, said that Jae-hoon's kindness may have been his true strength, but would be his undoing in battle. For many in the world of martial arts, mercy is a signal only of disrespect. This perceived shortcoming eats away at Jae-hoon to this day. Determined to rid himself of this weakness and show his true, undulled potential, Jae-hoon vows to face Dong-hwan in the greatest arena of all, King of Fighters.
I see it in your eyes that you're looking for a fight, aren't you? I'm in the middle of something else, but hey. I can make some time.
Round one. Get ready. Fight SPT.
You're focused.
Going down!
Watch your feet! Gonna feel this!
Jae-hoon wins.
All right.
Round two. Get ready. Fight SPT.
Come on, Jae-hoon!
Get some. Watch your feet! Get some.
You're under arrest! Hold loose!
Watch your feet! Gonna feel this! Can't be. Wait! Huh, that was a complete waste.
Final round. Get ready. Fight SPT.
Underground!
Going down!
Nice try!
Jae-hoon wins.
Your movements are looking a bit stiff. Might I recommend doing mat exercises to increase flexibility?
Look, I got my own problems. No disrespect, but you don't got a chance.
Round 1. Get ready. Fight as PG.
Dragon left! How about this?
Just warming up.
You wish.
Keep it coming. That all you got?
Hadouken! Hadouken! And J.Hoon wins.
Next!
Round 2. Get ready. Fight as PG.
Still going strong.
You wish. Hadouken! 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 Why punish? Watch this!
And this is Taekwondo! How's that?
J.Hoon wins.
Those fiery kicks of yours are out of this world. How are they so different from mine? Suppose it must be a matter of experience.
I am invincible!
Round 1. Get ready. Fight as PG.
You're focused.
Wait.
Next!
Round 2. Get ready. Fight as PG.
I swear on my And this is Taekwondo! How's that?
J.Hoon wins.
It must be hard to have so many eyes on you all the time. But just so you know, no matter what happens, I'll always be in your corner.
You're just another cameo in the Legend of Joe!
Round 1. Get ready. Fight as PG.
Hurricane! Not done yet!
Hoon wins.
Next!
Round 2. Get ready. Fight as PG.
Hurricane upper! Not half bad. Hurricane
Hoon wins.
I can't believe your uppercuts can form hurricanes! I've got a lot more training to do. Better start from the ground up.
Anchors up! Viva the Lillian Knights!
Round 1. Get ready. Fight as PG.
Warming up!
I'm so...
Hoon wins.
Next!
Round 2. Get ready. Fight as PG.
Won't lose!
Won't get away!
Now I'm mad!
Hoon wins.
What power, what presence! You had me completely under your spell! Oh, no, wait. I didn't mean romantically.
All this muscle in your legs. What an impressive specimen.
Whoa, hands off! Who do you think you are?
Oh, sorry about that. I'm PREECHA, a researcher. I was so fascinated by your techniques that I guess I couldn't help but get a closer look.
Oh, you're interested in Taekwondo?
No, Taekwondo is fine, but it's specifically your techniques. You clearly inherited them from your father, but for some reason you're the only practitioner of that style who is capable of producing fire. Curious indeed.
I've always wondered how I could do it too. And you think you can figure it out?
I do, but I'll need a bit more data to finalize a hypothesis. And hey, it seems like we're in luck. We're in the finals. What do you say? Ready to start the match?
A match? You want to fight me? But you're...
I'm not just a researcher. I'm a disciple of Joe Higashi. Your father knows him.
My father? I guess you do have a fighter's build, now that you mention it.
Why, thank you. Now you know you don't have to hold back.
In that case, I accept your challenge. Let's go!
Round 1. Get ready. Fight SPG.
Here goes! Here goes!
Hoon wins.
Next!
Round 2. Get ready. Fight SPG. Hoon wins.
Your commitment to your studies is truly remarkable. If only my brother could be bothered to take a page out of your book. So how about it? Any idea how my flames work?
Yes and no. It's not quite what I hypothesized. There are several factors at play, but essentially, your flame should be thought of as a manifestation of your spirit.
So it's like I'm fired up inside and it's spilling out or something?
A frustratingly unscientific conclusion, but that's where we're at.
That sounds just like you, Jae-hoon.
Donghwan, what are you doing here?
Well, I didn't get to see you during the tournaments. And I really wanted to face you, so... You know, I figured...
So you're here to fight?
You know it! Remember when we sparred the other day and Dad kept pushing you harder and harder? I figured I'd be able to fight the real you next time. So here I am!
Yeah, Dad really opened my eyes. I guess you noticed?
Of course! But that's not what got me all fired up. It was seeing you fight like you meant it just now. Come on, Jae-hoon! Let's rumble!
A fight between Jae-hoon and Donghwan. This sounds like a recipe for some amazing data.
Sorry to have made you wait so long, Donghwan. But the wait is over. I promise I'll hit you with everything I've got!
Round 1. Get ready. Fight SPG.
I won't lose!
Now we're talking!
2, get ready! Fight as PT!
Warming up!
Not bad.
Wait!
See, I keep telling you to stay on top of your training, but you never listen. That does it. We're going up to the mountains to train with Dad.
And that's that! The winner is Hoon!
Alright then. You could have made mincemeat out of me at any time, but you just had to drag it out, didn't you? That's mean. I guess even you're not above fighting a little dirty from time to time, are ya?
Sorry. I know you like to finish a fight with flair, but I'm the boring one, I guess.
Hey, don't apologize. It's just the way you fight. No harm in that.
Yeah, I know. I just wish my style had more in common with yours. Fundamentals are important, obviously, but I guess I don't feel very creative.
Come on, man. If you saw someone else working their butt off, would you say that they're garbage or they don't deserve what they've got?
Obviously not. I'd tell them they were amazing.
Well, that's the thing. You are amazing, Hoon.
I don't know about that. It's just, I'd be so much cooler if I had talent like you, Donghwan.
It isn't that, Hoon.
Yeah, seriously. Poor guy doesn't know himself at all.
I don't think I'm following.
Dude, you work harder than anyone I've ever met. If that doesn't count as amazing, I don't know what does.
But working hard is the only thing I can do. Besides, aren't you the one who's always telling me I'm overdoing it or something?
Yo, didn't you examine his muscles earlier? What's your data say?
Oh, they're wonderful. Perfectly conditioned, tremendous strength balanced with impressive flexibility. I'd hesitate to say there's an ideal body for a fighter, but he might come the closest.
You see what I'm saying? From day one, all you've done is practice, practice, practice. Most people would eventually give up for any number of reasons. But not you. Never you. You always keep pushing forward. If you ask me, and I know you didn't, I'd say that your tenacity is a superpower all on its own.
I agree. Besides, you don't work hard because you want to get stronger, do you? That's always been who you are. That's what sets you apart from the rest.
That's right. That's why you're the one who was given Dad's techniques. It'd, be impossible for me. I'd have to change everything to match my style.
Donghwan. PREECHA. Thank you. So much. That makes me feel a lot better.
Hey, don't cry. You won after all. Besides, we're only just getting started. I'm sure we've got a rematch waiting for us just around the corner.
Ooh, now that sounds like a good time. I'll bring a measuring instrument or 3 and join you. Then I can record the energy output from when your fire and lightning collide. Ooh.
You know, I'm actually a little embarrassed. To think I got my very own pep talk from a couple of self-proclaimed geniuses.
Hey, did you hear that?
Pardon me, Mr. Hoon, but I don't recall ever using the word genius to describe myself. It kinda... no. It really makes my blood boil when people call me that!
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to imply that you're pretentious or anything. Honest.
Oh yeah? Well, this self-proclaimed genius wants a 3-man rematch right now! What do you think about that, SPG number 2? Get down?
Brilliant idea! I'll show you how a genius fights!
I'm sorry!
Get back here!
My style might not be flashy, but it's mine. Taekwondo really is the best.